Updates now from West Asia, where an Israeli drone strike killed 5 people in the occupied West Bank. The Israeli military said it struck 5 terrorists on their way to carry out an attack. The Hamas media said a vehicle carrying fighters had been struck and that one of the commanders of his Tulkarm brigades was killed. The director of the Thabet hospital in Tulkarm said the drone strike took place close to the village of Zeta in Tulkarm. The Israeli military said its police are currently conducting a counter-terrorism activity in the area. Wafa reported that the Israeli military quickly sealed off the area. The Palestinian Health Ministry figures show that at least 599 Palestinians have been killed by Israeli troops and settlers in the West Bank since October 7th. In the same period, at least 17 Israelis, including soldiers, have been killed by Palestinian attacks in the West Bank. Violence in the West Bank was on the rise before the Israel-Hamas War in Gaza began on October 7th and has since risen with frequent Israeli raids in the territory, which is among those that the Palestinians seek for a state. On Saturday, hundreds of Palestinian protesters marched through the streets of West Bank to call for an end of war in Gaza and to demand fair treatment of Palestinian prisoners in Israeli jails. Protesters called for a fair treatment of prisoners inside Israeli jails after earlier this week, the Israeli military police detained 9 soldiers over separate allegations of severe abuse on a detainee captured in Gaza. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.